Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the increase on screen message display time function on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the settings icon at the top half of the screen, and in the Your Account section scroll down, and in the Increase on Screen Message Display Time function, just click to the white circle, and it's enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.